of zeros allotted to whites, colored, Indian, and Asian communities to depict that they are aliens is gone if it is there. There is no question of saying you are Indian, you are white, you are colored, you have what we call it, an identity which shows you that if you are born here, a citizen, they have the same documentation like everybody else. There is no distinction. If it is there, because I'm hearing for the first time, if it is there, it's dead. I'm making sure after the 1st of 30 July, the Minister of Home Affairs must raise this. If there is that law, it must go. I thank you.
Fascine Mandu!